Watch all those home buyer programs where the couples walk in and say, "I'd like an open concept." Or you check out all these companies that gut old buildings to create wide open, trendy work areas. Open is in, which is great in most ways. It creates an airy atmosphere with natural light and a reduced dependency on artificial light. That's easier on the eyes and means energy savings to boot. But in a work environment, sometimes discretion and confidentiality are in order, and that typically means relying on interior walls and partitions. There goes the cool open atmosphere. But wait, here's the thing. Your customers can have the best of both worlds. They can create an open office environment suitable for any architecture magazine cover and appreciate the natural light it brings in. How? By creating privacy spaces with glass walls, customized with decorative Madico window film. Natural light boosts morale. Decorative window films can make an office chic. Your customers will have a happier staff and be their employees' hero. Plus, they'll realize energy savings because they won't have to depend on artificial lighting as much. Imagine interior glass walls decorated with frosted, tinted, or colored window film at various opacity levels for privacy, without sacrificing natural light. Another cost saving is that a customer can switch out window films whenever a new look is desired, without having to spend on a full remodeling effort. Suggest customizations like colors, prints, patterns, and designs resembling cut or texturized glass. Window film is clean and durable, and changing out decorative window film designs won't hurt glass. And of course, don't forget how window film boosts health benefits for employees by filtering 99% of harmful UV rays, protecting employees from skin damage and potential skin cancer. Yes, unfiltered light can be just as dangerous indoors as out. And as always, they'll appreciate protecting furnishings and flooring from fading, which saves money too. For more information about Madico decorative window films, check the download content that accompanies this video.